Hello guys, this is ambulance website. If anybody interested in ambulance website, they can contact on my WhatsApp number in the description below. I have mentioned it. Now I will show you what's the admin panel in this, how to use the admin panel, what are the function regarding this website. This is the simple website. You can see this. This is the index page where people can book the appointment. You can click this, write any name. Suppose I will write Rahul Kumar. Then I will mention my email ID. But technically, this is my mobile number. You can contact me. From where to where you need the ambulance service. So I will mention from Delhi to Kolkata and need the ambulance. You can write any normal message and submit here. So this data has been then to admin panel. Now I will show you the admin panel. What is the function in admin panel? You see the admin panel login ID. You see the username and password for the admin. You just click on login. You can see in this admin panel one request has been raised. Rahul Kumar, right time, current time, okay, the system time. First, before I'll show you, you can register the ambulance. You can write the registration number, engine number, chassis number, driver name, who is running, who is the driver of this ambulance, address, ambulance owner address, and ambulance image, and you can register them. In all the list, you can see how many ambulance have been registered. So I have only one ambulance right now in the database. So you can see, you can edit this ambulance, you can delete that ambulance by clicking this button. Now admin what will do, they have to click on appointment. If they can first, they can click and view this appointment to see the appointment ID, the name of the user, email ID, mobile number, address, from where to where, message and added. This is the active. So what will happen if is the ambulance who is operating this admin function, if the people are ready to accept this order, in the sense that they can send the ambulance from Delhi to Kolkata on after talking these guys, then they can accept that order. If they don't wanted to, then they can reject. Then they will receive an email that sorry for any mail they will receive. So what will happen? In new click, I will accept this. I'm ready to give this service. So I will select this ambulance driver name and ambulance name number. And after that booking date. Suppose someone have called today, they need today only, then I book today and I will book the timing like okay 1 o'clock today and sharp 1 o'clock 1:10 I will reach there to pick up the patient and I will update this. So what will happen? The user will on this email ID, the user will receive an email. Your appointment has been booked, and after that, you can will show you in the screenshot mail ID. Now you can see in spam folder. See, we have received the email, dear Rahul Kumar. We are pleasure to inform you that your appointment has been taken with the ABC ambulance service. Appointment ID this much, location this, appointment date. Okay. they have received this email, user will receive this email, and after that, when the journey has been started, suppose the ambulance has reached with that person, and after that, they have pick up their patient, then they can start the journey, or start, they can click on start. So what will happen? The system time, the mobile time, they will receive another email. Let me report this. See, they will receive another email that dear Rahul Kumar, we are clear to inform that ambulance is this appointment has been started from the daily appointment on date and time. Right now, this is the time. And then again, they will suppose user ambulance has reached the destination, then they can click the end the trip and they can make again they will receive another email. Everyone, they will receive another email like your dear Rahul Kumar, we are pleasure to inform that you this from your India and here at Kolkata on this much time. So what will happen for this? The user will receive the part. And what will happen? You can appointment. You will have a database that this person when they have booked the ambulance, we will get this database. Finally, you can contact them. This is the short videos and or the how to access the admin panel. If any people are interested to run this with any modification, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. And this is the simple website or the ambulance, all the service. This. So thank you guys for any update.